You want pro touring? I have it right here. This 1969 Camaro has it all, including a Roadster Shop chassis. This thing is responsive. The steering, the braking, the cornering, the takeoff. Unbelievable machine right here. Has 28 or 2,900 miles on it. The fellow who built the car is the one who put the miles on. He's super meticulous. He actually lives in the same town I live in, and he's fussy. This car looks brand new. It rolled through our shop like lickety split. We hardly had to service it, hardly had to wipe it down. So anyway, again, Roadster Shop chassis, brand new from GM, 6.2 liter LS3 motor with the 6-speed trans. It comes as a complete package. You drop it in the car and you go. Came with the alternator, comes with oil in the engine, the power steering, all from GM. Of course, air conditioning, full custom interior, painted its original LeMans blue color. Got a lot to tell you about. You can also go to volocars.com and read about it. Look at all the pictures top to bottom, and that's where you'll find a price tag along with a monthly finance option. Our banks will go as little as 10% down and 12 and 13 years on most cars to make it real easy for you. That's at volocars.com. Now, if you enjoyed the videos, subscribe, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the next one's posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, actually, Roadster Shop actually is nearby too. They're just 15, 20 minutes from here. And this is a full chassis car. I went on their website and I read the specs, looked at the pictures. It's a really cool chassis. All the latest technology to make it strong and lightweight and make the car perform the best it can. Laser cut. A frame that hugs the floor precisely so it's not hanging down. Look how this car is dropped down, and you can tell just by standing this thing is lowered. So anyway, Roadster Shop spec chassis, SPEC. You can Google it and look it up. Rack and pinion steering, coil-over adjustable gas shocks, custom spindles, fat sway bar. In back is a 4-link with tubular control arms. Adjustable gas coil-over shocks. It's got Willwood disc brake setup, 6 piston in front, 4 in back, slotted and drilled rotors. The whole system is new. Custom exhaust. It sounds amazing. It looks amazing. It's all stainless steel. Almost looks like even powder coated because a nice silver color. Borla polished mufflers, and it has some turned down tips that's all tucked up under the car real neatly. Look up at the motor. It's new. You know, it's aluminum pan and high torque starter. The 6-speed transmission, I think it's a T56 Super Magnum Tremec trans. And again, that all came as one unit, the motor and trans. Cruise and connect and cruise, I think they call it. Fuel system, it's a custom tank. It looks like it's stainless or aluminum. It has a built-in fuel pump with pickups at all 4 corners. In case you're taking a turn and the gas sloshes to one side, you're not going to starve for fuel. There's pickups at all 4 corners in the tank. It is a Ford 9-inch rear end, posi gears. I think it's about a 373. And all the specs are on our website. It's hard for me to memorize all of this on every car. The whole underside of the car is done in satin black with some silver accents. So not only is it performed, but the underneath this car really looks cool. You should check out the pictures. The body is amazing. I'm looking at perfection right here. There's not a wave, not a dimple. This all fits precisely. Absolutely fantastic. Got a water spot that's gone now. Absolutely straight. The gaps are spot on. No issues. This all looks amazing. It's got a metal cowl hood. All nice, clean, straight. It was born a LeMans blue car, and it's LeMans blue now. And the metal flake and everything is laid out evenly. Matter of fact, I know the painter of this car. He does amazing paint work. Matter of fact, last year I bought a Mustang he painted. He painted it like 20 years ago, and it still looked like this. So I assure you, this is a quality paint job. The stripes are buried under the clear. You don't feel them at all. So body and paint's amazing. I don't see a flaw. Maybe I missed something tiny, but I don't see a flaw. So it has the rain gutters and the louvers here. Everything outside this car is new. The handles, the locks, the moldings, the trim, all the glass, all the weather strips and rubber seals been replaced. 18-inch Coys wheels with Nitto Performance tires, wider in the back. And again, just check out the stance. They got it just right. Went with the widest tire you could fit without tubbing the car. LED taillights. It's a rally sport, so it has the reverse lights down here. Up front, it has the hideaway lights. It has a Detroit Speed electric motor, so they work real nice. So outside this car is amazing. I'm going to show you what an amazing inside looks like. All right, let's see what the trunk looks like. Well, under the trunk lid's painted beautifully, so is the jamb. The weather strip is replaced. It's all nice, clean metal, very neatly spatter painted. I almost think there's a clear coat on it because it seems to be very durable. And it has this custom carpet mat in here, which is nice. So real clean trunk. Door jambs, door latches, sill plates, all look real slick. It is a deluxe interior, so the molded door panels, armrest handles, that's all been replaced. New dash pad and a full set of custom gauges. Let's see if I can light them up real quick. There you go, 2,896 miles. You got the tachometer. Got new heater controls. They're electric, not cables. Retro stereo with 6 speakers. Then you got the Camaro gauges down here. It matched the other gauges. New console with a 6-speed shift indicator. Kick panel speakers. All of this looks beautiful. The carpet, everything's real nice. Leather cushion grip tilt wheel. Now these are Pro Car seats. They really hold you in place. You need that if you're out carving up the roads on a Sunday morning. So nice, comfy seats. The back seat is a factory fold-down seat. And then it's been upholstered to match the front seats. Side panels, rear shelf, everything's new. 6x9 speakers in the back. Has this nice one-piece headliner, new visors and mirror. A remote antenna, so there's no antenna on the car. It has retractable shoulder belts for the front passengers. Again, I've said it a bunch of times, but GM crate motor. It comes with all this stuff attached to it. Oil in it. So how much more reliable do you want to get? That's not a junkyard motor that wasn't assembled by some shop. That's GM right there. So all the fuel injection, all of that is stock. It does have the air conditioning system. Everything's neat, tidy, and clean. Big aluminum Griffin radiator with a shroud and dual electric fans. Of course, we got power steering that came with the motor. You have power brakes, hydraulic reservoir for the clutch, new wiper motor, squirters are hooked up, hood insulation. And I turned the headlights on to show you the gauges, and they are open. See how smooth and tame it is at an idle. Don't let that smooth idle fool you. It's 430 horsepower. And I'm telling you, if you want a car like this, this is the one. Do not hesitate. They don't get better. This thing feels amazing. It's so responsive. right, this is a pretty awesome 69 Camaro. What's it missing? It has the quality, it has the technology, it has the looks, the performance, the reliability. This checks every box. So go to volocars.com, because I assure you this will not stick around. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including getting this delivered to your door and getting it financed at volocars.com. Hope you enjoy the videos. Subscribe, check the bell icon. That way you're notified when the next one's posted. Thanks for watching.